Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Grade 8th. From today we will start computer education, or you can say computer studies. It's our week 3 and day 1. Today we will start chapter number 1, which is networks and communication. Networks are the resources from which, or you can say it is a source through which you can connect to the global world. Network globalize your world. It reduces the distance of communication. Communication means to communicate others, to make relations, or to interact to other people through any device. Open page number 6 and we will study its introduction. A computer network is a communication system in which more than one computers are joined in a way that they may share the software and hardware resources among each other by using medium like cables, wireless, etc. कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क एक ऐसा कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम है जिसमें बहुत से कंप्यूटर, मोर देन वन कंप्यूटर जो हैं वो आपस में कनेक्टेड होते हैं और शेयर करते हैं सॉफ्टवेयर और हार्डवेयर को. सॉफ्टवेयर इज़ इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डाटा विच ट्रांसफर्स फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर, एंड हार्डवेयर द रिसोर्सेज मीन्स द कंप्यूटर कंपोनेंट्स. कंप्यूटर में जितने भी कंपोनेंट्स हैं उन सबको यूज़ करते हुए. और इट में भी वायर्ड और वायरलेस हो सकता है कि इसमें कुछ लोग केबल्स यूज़ करें और कुछ लोग वायरलेस कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम यूज़ करते हैं, वायरलेस नेटवर्क यूज़ करते हैं. एवरी कंप्यूटर इन द नेटवर्क कैन ट्रांसमिट और रिसीव डाटा टू एंड फ्रॉम अदर कंप्यूटर्स. The networks can be placed under different categories based on their size and geographic locations. Geographic locations means whether they are communicating from outside the country or whether they are communicating to the local area. Understand? Many smaller networks can be joined together to make larger networks through wired or wireless medium, giving birth to information technology. बहुत से नेटवर्क्स एक दूसरे से कनेक्ट होके उन्होंने एक लार्जर नेटवर्क बनाया. तभी IT मीन्स इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी एक नया सिस्टम ऑफ एजुकेशन और सिस्टम ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, or you can say that a new advanced technological system emerges. And present day achievements like global positioning. present day में आज के दौर में जो कि ग्लोबल पोजीशनिंग सिस्टम है, GPS, ब्लूटूथ, सेलुलर एंड सैटेलाइट कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम, इन सब को किसने जला बख्शी? नेटवर्क ने. नाउ मूविंग टूवर्ड्स कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क. अ नेटवर्क इज़ डिफाइंड एज एन इंटरकनेक्शन of two or more computers to facilitate communication and resource sharing. नेटवर्क जो है वो एक कनेक्शन है, इंटरकनेक्शन है दो या दो से ज़्यादा कंप्यूटर्स का, ताकि कम्युनिकेशन को फैसिलिटेट किया जाए, कम्युनिकेशन बहाल की जाए, कम्युनिकेट किया जाए बिटवीन टू और मोर देन टू कंप्यूटर्स और बिटवीन टू और मोर देन टू पीपल्स, यू कैन से. and resource sharing, and they must share their resources, like these resources are hardware or in the form of software, as I have told you. Common resources are printers, disk storage, access to the internet and data, resources like files, databases, programs and software applications. In this figure you can see that here is a server which is main computer. This is controlling all other devices, all other computers. Here is a laptop, desktop computer, client, and there is printer. So a person shares all these resources for the communication. Understand? Moving towards advantages of computer network. The computers connected on a network share hardware resources like printer, CD writer, DVD, CD players and hard disk etc. जब आप नेटवर्क से कनेक्ट होते हैं तो आप इस काबिल होते हैं कि आप किसी भी डेटा की इंफॉर्मेशन की कॉपी ले सकें थ्रू प्रिंटर, थ्रू CD writer, and you can use DVD or CD players through network, through internet connection. The next is connect more than 2 computers. Through internet you can communicate between more than 2 computers or more than 2 peoples. Through network, one computer can share software from other computers. The next is maintain security and permission. It is based on the security guidelines and permissions. It has privacy settings, so the other people can't able to reach your information through security and permission setup. Manage rights and privilege of users. Privileges means those facilitation. It must based on some ethics, on some laws or it must maintain or manages privileges or facilitation. It facilitate the users by different point of view, by securing the rights of the user, that nobody can able to harm your information or can access to your security. With the purposes of security can't able to access your information. It manages all these things. It is easy to share through computer network. It is easy to share files and data. A user can easily share the files, data and can access other computers. Without network you can't able to access to other computers. You can't able to gain access to other computers. As you are taking online class, for this you must need a network. If you don't have internet connection or network, you can't able to see this video, you can't able to get all the assignments. So for communication purposes you must need a network. When you want to interact to other peoples, you must need a network. Thank you.